some of it, very similar format to what you've been doing in class for the last 5-6 weeks. I guarantee you, this is my guarantee. If you've been doing your work, then you have no problems. Okay? Alright? 17 multiple choice and 3 questions of short response. So basically, you're looking at one question, like 17 questions, a combination. If you break it down, roughly about 5 questions on, what's the first topic? Earning money. 5 questions on algebra. Or 6 and 5, something like that. And then 5 questions on measurement. Okay. Is anyone having difficulty so far? One of my students yesterday said to me, in class, there were some concepts he didn't understand, and then he just sat there, and then put his hand up. He said, no, if you don't understand something, make sure you get the teacher. Doesn't matter whether it's in maths or whatever it is, you should come over at further times just to clarify, so make sure you understand. The last thing you want to do is not to ask and then compound it by further and further and further, okay? Who's scientific notation? What is scientific notation? Does anyone know? Scientific notation. Right. So 100. What's another way of writing 100? 100 equals 10 squared. Yeah? Alright. So, what's another way of writing 1,000? Equals 10 cubed. Right? Can I write 10 times 10 squared?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's the same thing, right? What about 10 to the power 4, alright, is equal to 10 times 10 to the power what?
3.
How do you know it's 3? There's a 10, how many noughts are left over? 3. Okay. So which part of it is scientific notation? Okay. So what about, can I write this? Let's have a look at 10,000, right? Where's the decimal point? Where's the decimal point lie? After the last 0. Yeah? So I'm going to bring the decimal point next to the 1. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? 1.0. Because there's no other numbers except 0, so I'm not going to bother writing the. I'm not going to bother writing 1, 2, 3, 4. That's wasting my time. So I'm going to write 1.0 times 10 to the power of what? 4. Yeah? Because I've done 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jumps. So it's going to be 4. So scientific notation is essentially looking at a number, a large number, and writing it in small form in terms of to the power of 10. So if I said to you 57,000, how would you write that in scientific notation? What's the first step? What's the first step you have to do? Step 1. Step 1.
Find where the decimal point
Okay, so I'm going to go, a decimal point is here. Yep. So, just write in the decimal point. Write in the decimal point. And then what's the step 2? What's the step 2? Let's go. Let's play the camel run. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you want to bring the decimal point from here to here. Okay. So that becomes what? 5.7. So the decimal transfer from the last place to the first place, yeah. Okay, so 5.7 times 10
Power 4.
power 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that easy? Yeah? Alright. Look at this, look 57,000, right? What if I write 57,300? How would you write that in scientific notation? Have a go. How would you write that in scientific notation?
5.73.
5.73, because why? You write all the numbers that have meanings to you. Okay? 0, 0. So, start off, there's decimal point. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's 5.73. 5.73, and then times 10 to the power of what? Darren? How many numbers have I done? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 57,300 in scientific notation is 5.73 times 10 to the 4. Alright, so how would you write this one here? Quick try, okay? Quick 5. And go to quick 3. Change it to 3. 300. In scientific notation is what, Julie?
3.0 to the power of times 10 to the power of 2.
That's right. So decimal point there. 1, 2, 3.0 times 10 to the power of how many humps? 2 humps. Okay. So it's up to you whether you want to put a 0 in. It's not critical, but you can put 3 or 3.0. Okay. Next one. Matt.
1,001.0 times 10 to the power of 4.
Where's the decimal point?
After the
Yes, that's the decimal point, right?
Yeah.
How many humps do you have to jump to get to here?
Oh. 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, right?
Yeah.
So it's 1.001. Yeah. So you write all these critical numbers times 10 to the power of
4, 8, 9, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the power of 7. Okay. Pascal. If 57510000, how would you do it? Tell me the steps.
Count back 1,
1,
2,
2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Okay, so you know that it's going to be something times 10 to the power of 8, yeah? Okay, what's that something?
5.751.
Good work. Is that hard? Do you like the method? You like the method? So write the decimal point here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or whatever it may be, to get it to after the first digit. Okay. Then you know that's times 10 to the power of how many humps. They just write it as a, and then the rest 5.751, 1.001, or 3.0. Easy peasy.
So, we're doing 3C.
3, no, I want to skip first. I want to do scientific notation. Yep, 3C.
Are we skipping 3B?
Hey, sir.
Yeah, I'm going to do 3B tomorrow. Go to the library and sign yourself one of these books in, okay? Have a go at 3C.
Like right this second.
Huh?
Right now.
Yeah, you can.
Wait, Dash, you need an ID.
Now have a go at 3C. It says here, guys, significant figures, right?
Chapter 3, measurement. Yeah, measurement. Scientific notation measurement. How's it measured?
Well, you're condensing it to
A smaller number?
to write a quantity.
Okay. Maybe one of them for a piece of paper. No, I don't want to just fuck up with.
So remember, start, locate where the decimal point is at the end, and then hump it across, then write that times 10 to the power of how many humps?
Excuse me, sir, do you have any scrap paper? I've got my today.
Okay. No, I don't hear anything.
Alright, so I got some paper now. Fellow classmates. It's a tedious exercise. Yeah. It's one of those sheets that's repetition. But if you do all of them, it's stuck in the brain. Well, yeah. You would.
You guys were on the same bus. Jack.
Yeah.
Hey, so we're going to be getting like a big, like full-size textbook when this one runs out.
I think, have you guys paid your school fees? Yeah. I don't know, I'm just waiting for the authority to issue you guys with the textbook. But if you have some kind of electronic, I can give you a PDF file of it, and then so that you don't have to lug around a big copy of the textbook. John's here, Bella's here, Darius here, I was here, Sam is here, Matt is here, Lavinia, Aaron is here, John is here, you gotta be better organized than that. You gotta be more. Not because I don't give you the plan, it's only then manage your organization.
Hey, so how do you do it when it's like
Alright, okay, guys. Now, what we've done so far is we're going we're going backwards. What if it's like this? 0.000045. Then what you do is you want to bring the decimal point to the first significant figure. What's the first significant figure you see? 4. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So that becomes 4.5 times 10 to the power of negative, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay?
simple?
So when you go, if you're jumping from right to left,
I'll tell you what.
jumping from right to left, that is 10 to the power of a positive number. And from left to right, that is 10 to the power of negative. Positive jumps. Negative jumps. Okay? Make sense? So if it's, okay, 0.01. Okay, 0.01. Where's the decimal point? Decimal point there. Bring it to the first significant number you see. What's that?
1.
That's 1. So how many jumps does that have to do?
2.
1, 2. So there's 2 jumps. So therefore it's going to be 1 times 10, because if you're jumping from left to right, it's going to be a minus. So minus 2. Yeah? Easy to remember? Yep.
Did we skip 3B?
Yeah, we're going to come back to 3B.
For another day.
Because with 3B, I want to bring some gear in from the science room to do. So right to left is a times 10. Times.
Bit good.
So 0.092. Okay, yep. So 1, 2, 9.2 times 10 to the 2. Yeah, 7.2. Yep. Just do this last year before. Yeah, just jump in. Start the presentation.
So,
Yep.
what chapter did you say was the test?
1, 2, 3.
They reckon in chats book explanation of shit is so bad. What do you, yeah, I never read them. I read them once and they make no sense to me. I'd say it's a bunch of bullshit put together.
Well, like, I understand the concept of social Yeah, I know you jump back and forth.
So why do you jump back and forth?
Oh, I'm just going to be number more.
Yeah. And then, so yeah, they can ask, well, what are the just here that you mean?
So repetitive. Same thing over.
Too easy.
What is that? Is that for your braces? Yeah, just shit, you gotta take braces. You get braces now?
So
That's new.
it's 0 point something. You go the other way, you know, some communication. So it's a 2. And you ask, so that's the 600, right? With the decimal place, decimal places, with the decimal point. So you want to get, you want to go to 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps, right? That becomes 7.6 times 10 to the power of 3. The other way, 0.0.
So nice to be
You want to bring it to half this is
fuck this, this is stupid. Can't be put doing anymore. Okay, just only do a couple questions of each. It's a good idea. You just do like the first up to like F of each one.
Microseconds. 1 microsecond, 1 millionth of a second. How many volts in a million?
Oh my god, this is so boring.
6, right? So how do you write that? How do you write that in terms of notation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 times 0 times 10 times 6. Yeah?
Dude, it feels like when you back up in the morning,
So,
it's not
1
really
microsecond, 1
taking.
millionth of a
Yeah,
second.
you need to get rid of it.
5 microseconds.
Feels like it's just something you do.
5 microseconds.
When you have braces, yeah, you have to set up. Just putting like some bolts in your mouth, seriously, and then it always feel like you just need to like get wiped from your tongue, you see, wipe the bolts and off your teeth.
It's 1 million, which means negative.
God, this is so hard.
1.
Number 3, try to number 3.
There you go. That's 1 million, isn't it? 1 million. Which is the same thing as
What the heck?
1 over 1 times 10 to the 6. Okay? And because it's underneath, so you can write that as 1 times 10 minus 6.
is equal to 1 times 10 to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Yeah? So I can write that as 1 times 10 to the power 0 over 1 times 10 to the power 6, right? And index, when you index, okay, so you've got 3 squared divided by 3, what do you get? That's 3 squared. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. It's the same thing as 3, 2 minus 1 is
Dude, I'm sick of this shit.
1.
Do you do it?
No.
So here,
I don't want to do it.
so 10, 0, so 0 minus
Dude,
6 is
number 3.
minus 6. 1 times 10 minus 6.
Hey, sir,
Yeah.
how do you number 3?
Okay, 1 million. I'm not going to 1 millionth of a second. How would you like 1 million?
Is that kind of question we're getting in an exam?
You might get that in HSC. You have to know you're getting it. Another one coming up anyway. Okay, 1 million. 1 million is 6 noughts, right? How do you write 1 million in scientific notation?
1 times 10.
1 times 10 to the power of
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 times 10 to the power of 6, yeah?
Yeah.
1 millionth is what? 1 part out of a million. Yeah?
Yeah.
Which equals to? One times 10 to the negative 6. Where you have a part of 1 millionth, so that's 1 over 10 to the power 6. Because it's the denominator, you can bring it up by having a negative number.
But how does it come in?
How does it become negative? Okay. Can I write 1 is equal to 1 times 10 to the power 0? Remember, anything to the power 0 is 1. No. So 1 times 1 is 1. You happy with that?
Yeah.
Over 1 times 10 to the power 6. Right? Now remember your index laws. So there's so 0, 6, so it means 0 minus 6 equals to minus 6. Does that make sense to you? Let's try it again. Okay.
Wait, wouldn't you just times the bottom to get it to the top? To get it out of it?
No, 1 over 1 times 10 to the power 6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I'm going to rewrite that as a positive number. As you know, I don't want this fraction business.
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
Right? So I'm going to turn that into 1 times 10 to the power 0.
Yeah.
You're happy with that? Over 1 times 10 to the power 6. Yeah? Alright. Now let's look at this part here because they're the same. So 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 6. Okay, remember? 2 cubed divided by 2 square.
Or
What's the answer?
Be negative, just be 1, 2 to the power 1. Sorry.
Equals 2 to the power 1 or equals 2 to the power
No.
3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, right?
Oh, so it's negative 6, I understand. Because you're going negative 6 to the bottom negative.
Because 0 minus 6 is
Yeah.
negative 6.
Sorry, I took so long to understand.
What's that?
Sorry, I took so long to understand.
It's alright. But it's not the time it takes, as long as you Oh, language. Okay, whenever you see a term with a th on it, like a 100, means what? It's 1 over 100. Okay. Thousands, so th, 1 over 1,000. Okay.
Wait, now, do the-
410 million years ago.
So you know question 3, right?
Million years ago, right?
Is that S then?
So, it's 410 million is how many watts?
Oh, no, it's seconds. Yeah.
Seconds, right? So, where is it going to be?
I was like freaking out. I was like, let's plug this S up. Plug this in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Can't
7, 8.
do this.
So you're like 4, 1,
Why? Yeah, last night watching Suits. You watched Suits before? No. It's very good. What's it about?
oh, correct, 1 bit. Okay, 1 thing to pick up. Because that's a 1 that you ran it down.
Well, look at question 5. This is pointless, I'm not doing that. Calculate this job number. Why would you want to do all that? I mean, who would write 9 zeros? Actually, that's 8.
So you just throw
No, you just put in the calculator. I know, but why would you want to write that out on like a piece of paper? That's the most pointless thing.
Not even saying. Well, not much thing that oh.
The calculator doesn't even want to turn to cell. So why would you want to? What did you speak to? 5 and 7. Pretty hard.
times 0 equals 1. 4 times 0 equals 1. N times 0 is equal to 1. N equals 1. We have 1 minus 10 0 over 1 times 10 seconds. Yeah? It's the same here. Okay. Now, let's see what we say. Index here, okay, so 3 squared divided by 3.
You actually do it fine. You actually do it fine. No.
I'm saying the same thing, except if you do 3
I started
2 minus 1, which is 3 by 1, which equals 3. And do that. So what's the order? What is the order to do? When there's the same power, 3, make a step for index, 2 minus 1.
Well, the question 7, it just doesn't make sense. Question 7 is not something.
0
It's
minus
the minus 0, 8, 1.
1.
Times by 10 to negative 6.
That is a minus.
Is it that short?
5 partial seconds.
So the answer is 5.81 times 10 to negative 6. So wouldn't the answer just be 5.81? That's the
Is it with an angle that you use calculator?
Maybe also. It's the question 7 here. Express, right? Express answer type of notation. Wouldn't it be answer 5.81 kilograms? Then the answers that have 5.81 times 10 to negative 6.
Alright, so 5.81.
That's how many kilograms it is.
5.81 times 10 to make negative 3 grams. Is that right?
Yeah.
5 grams into kilograms. Right? So that's grams.
Yeah. So you get
How many grams in a kilogram?
1,000.
1,000, right? So 1,000. So you're going from a small quantity to a large quantity. So you have to. How would you convert? So this right. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams, right?
Yeah.
So what's 1 gram? 1 gram is equal to 1 kilogram divided by 1,000. Right? So can I read out 1 over 1,000 kilogram? Yeah?
Yeah.
So what's that in scientific notation here?
1 times 10 to the power of 3.
Negative 3.
Yep.
Negative 3. You're going to say negative 3. You say 3, then you write negative. You write 3.
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Okay, negative 3. So that's equal to 1 times 10 negative 3 kilogram is equal to 1 gram. Yeah? You happy with that? So now, with the gram, we replace the gram with times 1 times 10 to the minus 3 kilogram. Yeah?
Yeah.
So there's a 10 and a 10. Minus 3, minus 3. So you're going to go further to the left of minus 6. So 5.81 times 10 minus 6. Make sense?
Yep. The way I did it was like, I just like solved, like I just made it to, and then I just moved the decimal
Yeah.
point. But why doesn't that work?
Yeah, and you're going to move another 3 times.
Why? That's the first
Okay.
polynomial.
5 point. So, hang on.
Just
5.81 times 10 minus 3, right?
Yep.
So, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. 0.00581.
Correct.
Yep. Now, that's 0.0. Oh, that's still a gram though.
Yeah, so you need times by 1,000, right?
No. You got to divide it by 1,000. So you got to go back like 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
You're going from a large. Going from a gram to a kilogram. So that's thousandths gram in a kilogram.
So you divide. Oh, okay, that's where I went wrong.
You'd be better off. I'll do what I did.
Yep.
So you write your grams here, and you know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So 1 gram equals 1 gram equals 1 kilogram divided by 1,000, right? So 1,000th of a kilogram is equal to 1 gram. So where the gram is, you replace it with 1/1,000th kilogram. Yeah? Because 1 gram is only 1 of 1,000. How you doing, Jordan?
Feel good.
Done good? Done good?
Good. You know, question 6.
Did you see in the news, Dan Carter after the World Cup was signed a huge contract?
Yeah, in France. Charlie. Never heard of Ben
Is
Charlie.
that 1.5 euros?
Yeah.
American search, but yeah.
That's what I think.
For your break. Crazy. You know, if I put that on your screen, you won't get it.
Oh, that's a soul.
No.
I understand that's the way it is.
Yeah.
Express that.
Well, it's just, it just goes through the page. I'll show you one and just like, oh, it has to be that.
Maybe because the series of 1 there.
Yeah.
That represents
Yeah, no, I
The hell's that fucking
not
thing?
what I'm saying.
with the underscore.
How do you like show it as absolute? That's not what that's answers. Not the underscore.
Okay, the underscore indicates the following number, then round it down. I'll ask you, I don't know.
So, but if I write that as a test and do the underscore that.
Oh,
Stick it on it.
Can't say I have to agree with it. Just can't.
Richard, is that you in the background?
5.81 thousand grams, right? So 5.81
No, that's not me.
Is that you?
grams.
That's not me.
Well, that's me.
You want that to
See, that's just what I already.
Can't say it is that.
kilogram is equal to
No,
1,000 grams.
I don't think
So
so. Looks like
one
that's
that's
in
1
the
gram
background.
equals to divide that by
Did a party like a while ago and I still maybe. Did that one of
Yeah.
So there's a gram there.
You know, I'm like 1% that doesn't get any pay when they get braces. 1%. How crazy. Oh, 1% of people who get braces don't get any pay. Yeah. And I'm like, is that what they said? It says, like, oh, it's going to be painful, like, oh, 1%, 1 to 2% of people don't get any pay. Oh, and I'm in that percentage. Lucky. Have you got braces? No. I never need to. So,
Is that you good at how to convert the grams into the grams into kilograms?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did you find the diagnostic test on Wednesday? I'll give it back on Monday for you guys. If you went reasonably okay, then let's look at that as revision for your assessment task the following week.
Okay, so they knew from other German maths classes that already had a test. But we haven't had a proper test.
Tests.
Yeah, they've been saying they've had a serious test. Not practice. But other
Well,
German
it's a bit depending on the teachers. The only test that you're going to get reported is the assessment task. So there's two ways.
maybe you just say it's a practice, but they say it's serious.
Okay. Two ways to approach it. I mean, I'm not going to say to you, oh, this is a test, it's going to count this and that. You know, when I want my end of topic test. If you take it seriously and take it as, then it's fine. But if you take it, oh, it's not going to count, I won't bother, and then it's not a light switch. On the test that does count, the assessment task. If you don't practice having that exposure to the time constraint, you're not going to do well.
Yeah, it's good practice.
What is the
assessment task?
you don't appreciate having it's like nothing.
Tuesday, not next Tuesday, Tuesday after.
Oh.
Yeah, having this in my on the tip. when do you get them all? A year? Really? Like, what's the significance for you? Which question? 10. Isn't that the important numbers? This is like good. Too much racing on. What do you mean? I'll show you. So 10 is equal. See that? So 4 that will make is 0.191. Which question you don't? Question 10. B. I and then B. Oh, what? One more, and then you're done with the different question. Oh, no, do this one. Oh, what? No, you're not. A is for this one, and B is for that one. You just rounded it up. What? You just rounded that up to 2. Yeah, so you want to do. And then all the rest are like 10. Yeah, look, so actually like 10B would be 1. It's just 3 and 6 zeros. What's the answers? Don't you have to? So 1 and B is 3 and then 11B is 1918. That makes sense. Easy. Very simple. Very simple process, but yes. I'm going to listen to some music. Doesn't it say?
1 over 8, 9, 10, a half of -2 is -1.
What's the centigrade? Does that even exist? Sure.
Which is 5.
I generally internet. The school internet is blocked. So I'll use this. What are we doing now? Is it weight?
So,
Did you search up just type into notes and just go to file?
of fraction 9.5 to the power of 9 divided by 8 to the power of -2.
We'll refer to not centigrade.
I reckon we put -2. Okay. With that?
Yep.
Okay, that is the calculation. Right. So 42.212. Right?
No, just define it, dude. You can define it there, look.
1, 2, 3. So let's test this number here. The 2 is below 5, so it's 71.
1/100th of a gram. Even smaller than a gram. Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 2.62 times 10 to the power. So that's not really. Okay, it's not part of the presentation. We just need 262 same thing. That's just not part of the presentation. So just not. Yeah. If you do that, 262, 1, 2, and then 3 more, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Guys, when significant figures, if you have 3, 2, 4, 7, 8, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, and so on, right? How would I write that into 3 significant figures? So, let's first of all, let's do this scientific notation first. There's a decimal point. I want to go how many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So 3 point. And I want 3 significant figures. So what do I do? There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, right? Up to here. And I want to test because the fourth significant figure is 7. So if I wanted to write 3 significant figures there, what does it have to be? 3.2, because it's 7, it's going to be a 5 times 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So it's exactly like you round up and round down. If it's 5, you round up. You test the next digit. So if I want to write that as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What if I want to write to 2 significant figures? What would it be?
3.2.
3.2. Because the next digit is a 4. It's below 5, so you go 2. Yeah? Make sense? What if I want to write to 4 significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one you have to test? You have to test that one. The next number. The next number is an 8, so the 7 becomes a 8. So 3.248. So you always test for the last digit to see whether it toggles up or down. Okay? And what if I want to write as 1 significant figure? There's a 1. So I want to test the next digit. That's a 2. 2 is below 5, so it stays on 3. 3 times 10 to the 10. Make sense? So significant figures is like just looking at your decimal point and whether you pull it up, pull it down. Okay, I'm just going to show a feedback. With my idea is to maximize time for you guys in class to do your maths, so that at any given point in time and you have trouble, then you can put your hand up and I come around and help you, rather than doing your exercise at home, the bulk of your or some exercises at home. Is that a good strategy, or any thoughts on that? So we're trying to maximize our time doing in class, so that you have, and come around and help. And just, polish up the little bits at home and studying. Okay? Mathematics, just like anything else, once in sport, say a golfer, sends out bang, so on. Why does he do that? Because he or she's practiced thousands and thousands of times. So the muscle memory, to take back, it knows exactly what to do. Just like footballers, when they pass, their muscle memory, they pass so many times, they do without even thinking. Maths is the same thing. The more you do, then you just do without thinking. You go into that mode where you instantly recognize it and do it. I want you guys to get in that mode. That's how you maximize your marks in the exam. Okay? Muscle memory. Or in this case, brain memory. So the more you do, then you instantly recall. What's the difference between a park footballer and an elite footballer? They pass so many times, every time, on the mark. Whereas a park footballer, sometimes on a mark, sometimes not. Yeah? That's the difference. They do it, and they practice it. Yeah. This one guy at my school, he's only 7, and he's a swampy guy. He's huge. He's taller than his dad. And his dad is 6'1", and he's 7. Yeah.
It's probably from some of my friends that are my age, almost twice the size of me, and they're like really short.
Like Oscar, he's quite tall, but he's the shortest player in his team.
Yeah, he's pretty small for his team.
Incredible, yeah. But I mean, this kid that I'm talking about, his father is a gold medalist in long jump. So he's got that pedigree, that athletic pedigree. So by the time he puts on a muscle bulk, towards the end,
It's always, if he's not having the skills of running, it's always the size against his foot. Guys that can play in the size of them.
body-specific day. Whereas in rugby, it's not so on the same position, but not generally you can have a new guy and then you got something. You got to be a
like some of the sports guys in professional league just a bit smaller than us. And they're even necessarily playing at as far as because they're really good. They really do they're pretty consistent.
So you got your growth spurt in the next 2 years.
He's tall enough.
Huh?
He's tall enough.
No, year 11 and 12, you got your growth spurt in 2 years. How tall is your dad?
What do you feel?
But in the last few days, you're like, what's what you want,
What time is it?
Now.
Fuck me over there.